Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 1st, 2022. We're going to talk about ADA today. We're going to talk about a price analysis as to whether or not the market in ADA is going to go up. You guys can see that I did a video on July the 21st of me continuing to go forward with my original intention of seeing ADA go down. Now, you guys can see since then, the price hasn't gone down just yet. That's why I'm going to come through and talk about it and show you all what I think the market in ADA is about to do next, so that we don't have to be confused, we don't have to question, we don't have to wonder. We will already understand why the market is moving the way that it is. To all of my day ones, definitely want to say thank you all for continuing to watch the videos. Hopefully the content that I have been garnering to each and every one of you on a daily basis have been beneficial. Hopefully you all have learned so much from the videos that I've created, because I really want everyone to know and see that it is possible that you can do this on your own. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. Let me go ahead and show you all the day to when I did my video update in ADA. It was on July the 21st. It was right here. And I was telling you all that the market in ADA was still weak and that I was still expecting the price in ADA to go down, right? I was still looking for the market in ADA to go down on this particular day. And so far, we haven't received that. The market overall in ADA has just been trading sideways. That's it. Nothing too much outside of that since July the 21st has been going on in ADA. The market has just been trading sideways. We get it. Now, I want to show you that my overall intentions of us still seeing ADA go down is still applicable because of this day here. I want to show you all the 29th of July. Look at this arrow here, this price bar, July the 30th. And then again on yesterday's trading day, the last day of July. It all resembles that the market is still giving us some weakness here around 54, maybe 55 cents. Something that we still need to be on guard about, because all the way back here in June, we saw the same thing. The market in ADA failed to trade above 54 cents at that time period, and it is still showing the same thing now. The price cannot break above 54 cents. Why? Because the sellers are there. Because that is where the block of sell orders are that is restricting the buyers from taking the price higher. That's it. That is why the price chart is so important for us to understand what's really going on into the market in ADA. Even if I were to extend it all the way back here to mid-May, towards the ending of May of this year, price in ADA could not break above 54 cents. Now, it did it for a little bit here in the beginning of June, but we came right back down below it. And since then, price has been trading below 54 cents. That's a massive clue for us. That kind of tells us that we are still on par to see the price in ADA go down. Yeah, so we're making it an opportunity to see ADA come through, at least come through and try to hold support right here around 44 cents. That is where the buyer's last stand is going to be. They need to make sure that they continue to hold price there. If anything, it's right here at 44 cents, 45 cents. Now, look at this. So as I'm still anticipating that the market in ADA is weak, the market needs to make sure that it brings this price down here. Buyers need to come in around 45 cents and continue to hold this level. Because if that's the case, then we know that the overall buyers are there and that the weakness is pretty much eradicated. It's going to get out the way. And we can kind of come in and buy the market right there around 45 cents, right? So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Let's go ahead and look at ADA on a 3-day chart. So you guys can see currently on this current 3-day price bar that we're still seeing weakness right here. This is weakness. So in the next 13 hours and 15 minutes, for ADA, if we see the price close towards the low of that bar, we already got the rejection at 55 cents. Market closed down here, then yeah, we're still going to expect some downward pressure to come into the market in ADA. Now again, I got 45 cents as the placeholder for the buyers. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at ADA on the weekly time frame. You guys can see that it was pretty much a wash last week. We saw the market go down last week. We saw the market go up. It's pretty much a wash, so nothing too much there to explain. Look at this on the monthly time frame. You guys can see that last month in July, the market actually closed higher than the previous month's bar. Pretty good. The last 3 months, which is inclusive of July, June, and May, we all saw the market hold support right there around 38, 39 cents. that still needs to be maintained in the long-term basis. Okay. So from this perspective, I will say from, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the 5-week time frame, the market actually looked like it wants to hold support in ADA. It really does. But when I see this on a smaller time frame, the 5-day time frame, even on the 3-day time frame in ADA, there's still some weakness here. So from a time perspective, the market is generally weak on a daily basis, but from a weekly basis, that time frame, we could actually try to expect the market in ADA to continue to trend higher. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I know that the market currently is weak, but I'm going to play the strength into the market in ADA real quick. So let me go ahead and take this last price prediction off. You guys can see that will be 15.15% loss outside of this opportunity that we had on July the 12th to bag the profitability, because I really don't see the weakness in the long term to where we can actually see the market currently come down to around 26 cents, 25 cents. I don't see that yet. The longer term perspective is not giving me that option right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. So we're going to play some strength into the market in ADA, or we could possibly wait. Should we wait into the market in ADA to see if the buyers are going to continue to come into the market? Because like I said, the daily time frame, this price is weak, and right now it would not be a good entry point. It would not be, because of the last 3 days into the market in ADA. That's some massive weakness coming through, right? Should we wait until the market in ADA comes down to 45 cents to come into the play? Because from where the price is right now to 45 cents, that's around 12.25% downward move. Can we see that happen? Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to continue to go forward with the idea that we're looking for the market in ADA to trend higher. Understand that I do know that the market currently is weak, but since I don't come through and produce these videos on a day-to-day basis, understand that I'm just getting into the market right here just to show you as an example that this is what I'm looking forward to going forward in the long term. All right. So from out the gate, yes, be prepared to see the price in ADA go down, but I am suspecting that from a weekly basis, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks time frame, that the market in ADA will have enough momentum to break above 54 cents or 55 cents. So that's going to be my first price target, is going to be 55 cents. Okay, that's going to be my first price target right here. Second one is going to be up here towards 60. You guys can see that's around what, 17% movement higher in price in ADA. Okay, and that's it. I'm just going to do 2 price targets into the market in ADA, 55 cents and then 60 cents at the top portion of my price prediction. All right, so that is it. It is your turn. I want you all to go ahead and give me your idea. Just to recap, I'm telling you all right now that yes, the market can go down from out the gate, but if the price does not fall below 45 cents, 44 cents, then I'm going to continue to expect the market in ADA at best just to consolidate and trade sideways. Okay, so it's your turn to go ahead and give me your thoughts. Outside of that, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.